How to see transaction history? Are you guys facing issues to see your transaction history on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To see transaction history on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just look at the right bottom of your screen where you can see this option for more. Tap on more. After you click on more, you will be forwarded to this interface. In this interface, just simply tap on transactions. After you click on transaction, you will be able to see this option for transfer history. Tap on it. In this section, you will be able to see your transaction history. And that's it, guys. That's how we're going to view your transaction history on PrimeXBT. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.